Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 3, that is factors and multiples. Factors, you have already know what is the factor that you have read in your previous classes. Now, today we have to just recall the factor. Factor, a number divides the number without leaving a remainder. What is the factor? When you divides a number, it's leaving a number without leaving a remainder. So the remainder is 0. Here we don't get a remainder. Next is the multiple. Number is exactly divisible by the number. Here what is a multiple? The number is exactly divisible by the number. So there is a difference between factor and the multiple. Factor is that number divides the number without leaving a remainder. In this, the remainder will not be there. A number is exactly divisible by the number. This is the multiple. So suppose we take a number 15. We take a number 15. Factors, we will talk about the factor. If we 3 multiply by 5, we got the 15. We got the 15. We have taken the number 15. When we multiply 3 multiply by 5, we got the 15. That means if 15 is divided by 3, we got 5, and if 15 is divided by 5, we got 3. So, which means we can say that therefore 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. And we can say that 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. So we have taken the number 15. You know 3 multiplied by 5, it means 15 is divided by 3, we got the 5, and 15 divided by 5, we got the 3. So we can say that 3 and 5 are the factor of 15, but we can say that 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. So in this way, we can do the factors and the multiple. Now, we have just recall the exercise. This is the recalling exercise. So we have to just recall. Next thing is the prime and the composite. Next thing is the prime number. Prime number, the numbers that have only two factors. Number that have only how many factors? Two factors. The first is the number having two factors. Two factor means the first is 1 and another is the number itself. Another is the number itself. So these are the two factors of what? Prime. If we talk about the prime number that have only two factors are there. So first factor is the 1 and the number itself. If we talk about the example, for example, 2. 2 having what? How many factors? 1 and 2 itself. 3 having two factors, 1 and 3. 5. How many factors? 1 and 5. 7. 1 and 7. 11. How many factors? 1 and 11. 13. How many factors? 1 and 13. 17. How many factors? 1 and 17 itself. 19. 1 and 19. 23. 23 having 1 and 23 itself. 29. 1 and 29, and so on. So here these are all the prime number. It may be goes to infinite, but here I have given you some example of the prime number. The prime number is what? Having only two factors. One is the number and the another is the one factor is 1 and the another is the number itself. So this is all about the prime number. Next we will talk about the composite number. Next we will talk about the composite number. Composite number. Composite number have more than two factors. Numbers having more than two factors. So these are the composite number. If we talk about, for example, 4. If we talk about the factors 1, 2 and 4. 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. If we talk about 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. If we talk about 9, 1, 3, 9. If we talk about 10, the factor of 10 is 1, 2, 5, 10. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So these are all of composite number which having more than two factors. Now we are doing some question of the recall exercises. The recall exercise which is given in your book. Question is there, we have to find out the factors of 32. We have to find out the factors of 32. 32, the factors of 32, 32 will come in how many tables? 1 is there, 2 is there, 4 is there, 8 is there, 16 is there, and 32 itself. So you can write in another way. You will write 1 multiplied by 32, 2 multiplied by 16, 4 multiplied by 8. So here all the numbers 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So these are all the factors of 32. Let's take another example. Factors of 18. What are the factors of 18? 18. 1 is the factor, 2 is the factor, 3 is the factor, 6 is the factor, and 9 is the factor, and 18 itself. So you can write in this 1 multiplied by 18, 2 multiplied by 9, 3 multiplied by 6. So here 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So here you can write the factors of 18. The next example we will take (67). 67 as below. 67, 1 and 67 itself. So in this way you can do the question of this. Another question is there of the recall exercise is next 5 multiple. Next 5 multiple of 6. You have to find out the next 5 multiple of 6. 6 multiply by 2, 12, 6 multiply by 3, you got 18, 6 multiply by 4, you got 24, 6 multiply by 5, you got 30, and 6 multiply by 6, you got 36. So the next multiple is 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36. So these are the next 5 multiple of 6. So what is the homework for today? Do recall exercise. Do recall exercise which is given on page number 30 of chapter 3. So what you have to do, you have to do the recall exercise having question 1 to question 5. Question 1 to question 5. So you have to do the question 1 to question 5 of recall exercise of page 30 of chapter 3. Thank you, students.